My name is Kevin Kinderchuk, and I am the owner and co-founder of Kajanga. We connect contractor and homeowner, so a homeowner posting their job can post it to a bunch of contractors at the same time, and contractors can then bid on the job. There was definitely a need for finding and hiring contractors, both on the homeowner side and on the contractor side. So we solved some big pain points, and that's the basic reason why we do it. We like helping people. Our business changes every day, and it still changes every day. And entrepreneurs that may fail at what they do, a lot of times they don't adapt to that change. I think the biggest thing that I get out of it is the networking end of things. You get to meet so many amazing people, whether they're entrepreneurs or working in the corporate world. And that's probably the biggest thing. Is SYPE is a great place to foster that growth within relationships. Great ideas come from collaboration, and when you're constantly being around the same people that have that entrepreneurial spirit, it does some amazing things. Running a startup is like going on a roller coaster. I mean, you have great days and you have bad days. So what this is going to do is it's going to put ourselves out there. The biggest thing is we want people to know about who we are and what we do. To be titled Entrepreneur of the Year through this SYPE Volta Award, it would definitely increase or boost our recognition in the community. But winning the $5,000 would obviously go to good use. Being a startup, you're always looking for cash, and that's one of the big barriers for us. So just keep pushing forward, believe in your idea, be passionate, and work hard. Put in the work. You can a lot of entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, live, breathe, and eat their business. I mean, it is what they do, and to be successful, I think you have to do that.